Myriad Ginger here. I am going to unbox this LEGO Friends Popstar TV Studio. This is my first LEGO mini doll that I have. So it's great to finally see one and hold one for the first time. Her hair is like a soft vinyl. She's really cute. Oh, this is the clapboard. So she can hold it. That is so cute. Gray. I thought they were black. I always have a hard time telling the black from the gray. So they're gray, that's why I couldn't find them. I'll show you here. This is what's difficult for me to tell. See how the wheels are black? They're outlined in white, and then the gray are outlined in black. That confuses me. like I try to turn her head and all I do is move her hair. So that's difficult. I love the clapboard. I think that is so cute. I love the curls at the bottom of her hair here. So pretty. And then the camera. I think this is so cool. I love the camera. You can position it in a bunch of different ways. You can look down on your person, look up at your person, but definitely more of a looking down, which isn't the most flattering way of filming. And then the monitor, definitely like the camera and the clapboard better. Love the little catwalk up here. In fact, I think I'm gonna have her stand on the catwalk. Here we go. Now she can adjust the lights while she's up here. But this door here slides. The thing is if you slide it all the way to reveal the other side, you won't be able to turn it anymore. It won't spin. Yeah. See, it'll crash. So I don't think they really thought that out very well when they were making this. I guess you just have to slide it all the way off if you want to use that other side. Because now it's hitting that, see? The speaker. So let's see, there are lots of cute things about this set, and a little kind of weird mechanics, specifically the slider door. I don't understand the concept of it. Stage spins, that's a fun action feature. So really, there's no point of having the sliding door. You could have just put the white on the other side, because you can't really see this panel unless you change it from the other side, flip it around by taking the whole mechanism apart, or by sliding off the door entirely, because you can't just slide it out of the way. And then it also kind of looks funky if you do slide it to one side, like you need a second one to balance it out, and that way your stage is kind of tripled in size, or at least the backdrop is tripled in size, but they only give you one. Otherwise it kind of looks lopsided. Kind of feel like she's all by herself, like she could have used a gaffer or an audience member or a stagehand or a producer, something. I think I'm gonna have fun taking it apart and trying to build something else, like maybe a rotating loft apartment. So we'll have to see what I come up with next. Thanks for watching!